What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa and you guys have been requesting this video for so long. It is finally time for me to show you how I've been styling my hair. It is obviously longer than it has ever been. I've never had my hair this long ever before. So this is completely new to me. It's something that I had to learn over the past few months. You know, the last time I cut my hair I think was, I want to say March. So it's been a good, 9 months, something like that. I just washed my hair. I used the Forte Series shampoo and the conditioner, so it feels nice, it feels hydrated, it's nice and soft. It is damp. I haven't used anything to dry it, just a towel, just pat dry. So it is very damp. And this is the secret to any hairstyle. If you want it to be amazing, if you want it to be 100%, it needs to start fresh. You need to start from the shower. Wash it, use a nice conditioner, and then towel dry a little bit just to get all of that water out. And then we are going to start to style it. So the first product we're gonna use is the Forte Series Argan Oil. And what that's gonna do is it's going to make your hair nice and smooth. It smells absolutely incredible. Like, I am so happy with the way this smells. But most importantly, it's also going to protect it from the heat because we are going to be using a blow dryer. So I put very little into my hands. Actually a little bit more than I'm used to be honest with you guys. I usually put even less. And just gonna make sure that it goes, that it's applied from the roots all the way to the ends. Some people will use it just on the ends and that's okay, but I like to apply it to my roots and my scalp too because I do tend to suffer from dry scalp and dandruff. So this really hydrates it and nourishes it. It really helps if you have dry hair and dry scalp. Oh, just feels so nice. And guys, I got a new blow dryer. That's right. I still went with Harry Josh. Actually, my girlfriend Robbie got this for me. She saw that mine was falling to pieces and she was right. And she got me the same blow dryer, but the ultralight version. So it is a lot lighter. The other one was super heavy, so I can travel with this. It doesn't dry as fast as the other one because it is lighter, it is smaller, but still does the job really well. Highly recommend it. And guys, I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like all the way down, kind of like in this curtain hairstyle, just so you know the length of my hair so you can see it. I'm also gonna be putting the length, I'm gonna measure my hair right after this and put the exact length of my hair in the description below so you guys can see it. It is very long, but it's pretty easy to style. It's not that difficult. Let me show you. We're gonna blow dry it up, giving it volume because it's really long and heavy. So blow dry it up and in the direction you want it to end up in. And that's what's going to give it nice shape, volume, and some waves as well. Let's get started. I have a lot of hair, thick hair, so it takes up to 10 minutes to blow dry sometimes. The secret is to pull the hair, and I actually mean pull it. I tug it pretty hard, as you can see, to make it straight, to get rid of stubborn curls, and to give it shape. And as you can see, the back here of my hairstyle, that takes the longest just because I have a lot of hair back there. As you can see, this is already giving my hairstyle a lot of volume. It is looking good. I'm excited about this. It's going to turn out great. All right, now my hairstyle, or my hair, is dry. It's completely dry, which is exactly what we wanted. As you guys can see, the argan oil gave it some shape, it gave it some shine, and the blow dryer, of course, really helped. So you guys are always asking me, like, how do I level up my hairstyle? You have to blow dry. You have to blow dry your hair because it looks so much better. It's got volume, right? Considering the length and the weight, you can see that it's got some volume. It is definitely in the direction that I blow dried it in. So it's back in this way, back in that way. The sides here, I try to make them flat. You guys are always asking me this as well. Alex, I'm growing my hair out. Why is it so poofy on the sides? You have to blow dry it back and flat, and that really helps. So what we're gonna do now is apply the Forte Series molding paste. Okay, this is our new paste. I'm so proud of this product. It came out amazing, and the reviews have been all amazing, all positive. I'm so happy with the feedback of this product. It is, in my opinion, the best paste that you can get out there, the best paste that you can get. So let me open this up and let me scoop it up and start styling. So you take very little, emulsify it in your hands, make sure that it basically goes clear, right? You can't really see the product in my hands anymore. And then what I like to do is I like to start with the sides because that's the most annoying part for me. So I just take it and go like this, pull it back, and make sure that it's styled. My sideburns are usually annoying as well. Go like that. Same with this side. Apply the product here to keep it that way. And then with whatever is left, I just go over it here on the top, bringing it up to add volume. So always bringing it up like this to add volume. Now that the product is in your hair, then you can play around with it a little bit. You can even blow dry it again to add more volume now that you have the product. But I mean, you really don't need it. And what I like about this product is that it adds that texture. So you can see that my hair got a little bit darker, but it doesn't have that wet look. It just looks really nice and textured. Same from this side, but we can wear it like that too. This is what it looks like when it's parted in the middle, aka curtains. And it's crazy because I never thought 2020 was gonna be the year for me to grow my hair, but here it is. You know, of course I could cut it and make it look like more styled, but I'm letting it grow, and the first rule of growing out your hair is obviously not getting a cut, not even a trim really. I think it's a waste of time. It's just gonna make it longer until I can wear a bun that looks really nice. And this is what it looks like when I style it asymmetrically. So it's tucked behind my ear here on my right side and falling kind of like on my face a little bit on the left side. I love this look. The hair looks so cool behind my ear, tucked back there. I think it's my favorite look, my favorite hairstyle lately. Honestly guys, I'm loving this hairstyle, man. I don't know. I know you guys are always like, oh, cut your hair, blah, blah, blah. I'm telling you, I'm gonna let my hair grow a little bit longer. I can already put it in a bun. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that. And I'm just so happy with the way that it looks. And I think it's just gonna continue to look better and better, you know, the longer it gets. So I'm gonna let it grow and see what happens. Now, I know you guys are asking me, Alex, you've been teasing us with that new product on screen the whole video and you haven't mentioned it. Well, that's right. We have a new product, but this isn't the only one. We have 3 new products being launched within the next 2 months, and I'm so excited. I'm not gonna talk about it today, but it's just a little teaser, a little Easter egg for you guys that noticed it, because there are 3 new products from Forte series coming out very, very soon, and I'm so excited to show you more. Make sure to get your Forte series products in the description below. It's forteseries.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.